January 17th. It's a Saturday, people. Love it when it snows on weekends. I mean, I hate the snow. I'm so over it. But if it's gonna do it, I'd rather do it on the weekends. Plow guy pushed everything on our side today, which is alright. Just giving you a little before. This is before I clean up. I already did the stairs and I'm gonna walk so Pops can get out. But yeah, we went from 40 to back to 20 degrees. Gotta love New England. 6:03. Alright, I'm gonna give you an after I'm done cleaning it up. Look at all the snow. Look at all this snow right here. Look at the snow. I shovel always down to this post right here. Look at all the snow here, right? Oh, look how clear it is right here. Look at all the snow in front of our house. Huh? I wonder where he put all his snow. Where did he put all of his snow? Funny how there's no snow right here, right? No snow right here, right? But he puts it all right here, huh? No, I'm done. I don't care. I'm done. I'll call the police every snowstorm if I have to. I know they got better things to do. And I know it's not a criminal matter, but I like it resolved before it turns into a criminal matter.